Home ownership is a treasured accomplishment, but is also a big responsibility, one that will last for many years. We at Upstate Certified Inspection, LLC, are confident that the objective home inspection services we provide will increase the safety, security, and comfort of your home for you and your family. We offer a variety of inspection services, including mold testing, radon testing, lead testing, water analysis, and asbestos testing. Home inspections can help you buy or sell your home with confidence. Be sure to choose the right home inspector for one of the most important emotional decisions and financial investments that you will ever make. Call Upstate Certified Inspections today or visit our website for more information. Upstate Certified Inspections, 518-884-8778.